coilover time.
So today we're fitting coilovers on a Mark II Polo. Front coilovers are the hardest thing to do on these, suspension wise. So if you do the front, you can definitely do the rear. We'll do a step-by-step guide, but these are just shitty TA techniques. You have to press. For the wheel bearings, you have to press them in. I'm running no helpers because I like the car being low. So I'm running fucking no helpers. These have been powder coated, but you'll get them red. Audi 80 top mounts because you get 10mm lower compared to just normal top mount. Yeah, we'll show you. What I do is loosen this top mount nut, because if you can't get that off, there's no point doing anything else. So I've gunned that off. We're using a gun today, but normally I do it with a ratchet or whatever. But this is like, they've got like hexagons or like you can get a tool on eBay for it basically, but it's like 30 quid, and like it's a socket you can put a thing through and get that off. If you can't get that off, there's no point doing anything else. So get that off, loosen it up, put it on a couple threads so it don't drop out, and then the control arm for the steering rack. There's two 15s, I believe they're 15s. This is a 17 up here. Two 15s on the back of the caliper. You gotta get the drive shaft out and the ball joint at the bottom, and then it'll be free hanging, and then just support the weight and take the last couple of threads off that top mount, and then it should just come straight out. It's easy.
There you go.
Where's his shoes gone, fam? Look at the mud on the floor, and he's got no shoes. Oh my god.
What a boomer you are.
Jeez, the arch!
Fuck you are.
That's the new one.
Yo, look at those springs.
Hey, look, they're loose. No compression on them.
They're not usually, they're usually something with
Oh wow. It's like a not standard one, it's well, standard, it's actually keyed.
No, I think someone smashed the socket onto it.
You think? It's
Yeah.
a clean job.
I think someone smashed the socket onto it.
It's definitely a multi-spline. You got that, isn't it?
So when you take the strut off, you've got the dry shaft bolt to take off, you've got the steering arm, and then the top mount.
You'll also have the caliper to take off, obviously, but
Yeah.
that'll be really easy. Yeah, so basically it'll be bottom, ball, drive shaft, caliper, steering arm, and top mount. And then obviously that will come out then. And when you put the new coilovers back on, it'll basically be the same. So I've just brought the coilover next to the original springs here. And like, as you can see, the actual spring is smaller.
Only because there's no helper.
Yeah, there is no helper. But as you can see, it is pretty much all the same. So like we were saying before, take the bottom ball joint out, undo the drive shaft, steering ball joints, caliper will be here, and then top mount, and yeah, they should just go straight in. Pretty much.
It sounds easy, but
it sounds easy, yeah, but
they're fucking tight.
I thought I'd just show you the comparison between the two, so you can get a quick look, as you can't really see on the car. But yeah.
Polo. Yeah, you think you're right.
Do you want to slide it in?
Can't go back. How is it got? And you think
That'll do it, then. That should go in. Yeah, straight in. Perfect. That's tight, isn't it, James? You tighten that one? James, you tighten that one, yeah?
yeah, it does.
That's tight, they're tight. That's tight. Just dry shaft. Do you do top mount? No.
Oh yeah.
Not yet. Someone's got to step on wheel because these have got caps in.
Really?
I never took caps out on these.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, the fitment.
Pending wheels, that's what that is. Pending wheels.
I'm gonna rub with a bit of 14 on there.
That is a 40.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
But it's pending wheels, so.
Yeah, you're gonna go 13s.
Give it a week. Here's a big one.
Can we turn them into chairs?
Chairs? That's money. You can buy them off me and turn them into chairs.
No, I don't want to do that. Right, so what we got here is got pizza. Pay attention. We got the double ply of kitchen roll. Put that on there so that it soaks the moisture up. You don't want a moist pizza. Right, you get that open. Slam that in there. And we want to go 2 minutes to start off with. I usually go 3, but we're gonna hold rusty here. And it should turn out like that.
Banging.
Banging pizza, that is. Soaked up all the
Oh,
moisture.
looks like a big
And the bottom
moist
is
crumpet.
nice and dry.
Stop chomping down the back of the fucking cat. I can hear you from here.
Oh, good bit of, no.
Slacking lips.
So we'll join you when he's got it out.